Pilates bar kits have gained popularity as a versatile home exercise solution. These portable workout tools offer a comprehensive full-body workout that combines elements of Pilates, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Designed to mimic the movements and benefits of traditional Pilates equipment, these kits typically include a lightweight bar, resistance bands, and adjustable straps. Users appreciate the convenience and ease of use, allowing them to engage in Pilates routines from the comfort of their own homes or while traveling. The bar's ergonomic design offers a secure grip and stability during exercises, promoting proper form and alignment. The included resistance bands provide variable resistance levels to accommodate different fitness levels and target specific muscle groups. Pilates bar kits are praised for their versatility, effectiveness, and ability to enhance core strength, improve posture, and increase overall body toning. Welcome, viewers. Join us in this video as we explore the latest Pilates bar kits, showcasing their incredible features and advantages. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more updates. Let's dive in and uncover their greatness. Ranked at an impressive 5th position in our rigorous evaluation, Untitled offers a versatile and convenient solution for those who struggle to find time for the gym or are busy moms. With this adjustable Pilates bar kit, you can easily follow a full-body workout routine from the comfort of your own home. This kit is designed to cater to a variety of fitness goals, including firm booty toning, stretching, yoga, muscle building, body shaping, squats, and strengthening. The high-quality tension-resistant bands, coupled with adjustable features, allow you to feel resistance in your body while performing desired reg flex exercises like squats. The portable design eliminates the need for bulky equipment and is perfect for small spaces, making it ideal for home use or even when you're on vacation. Untitled also provides a complete guided fitness workout plan to ensure you stay active and in alignment with your body and mind. Say goodbye to basic internet tutorials and let Untitled enhance your fitness journey. Securing a remarkable 4th position on our prestigious list, Repston has garnered high ratings as an exceptional product. Designed in the USA, this resistance band with bar offers a range of outstanding features. The 3-section bar is wrapped with soft foam for a comfortable grip, and the set includes 3 powerful exercise bands weighing 15 pounds, 30 pounds, and 50 pounds. With upgraded handles and adjustable foot loops, you can customize the equipment to suit your needs. The inclusion of a carry bag transforms the Pilates bands bar into a perfect travel workout equipment. Additionally, a comprehensive workout guide ensures that your exercise experience is easy and enjoyable. The Pilates bar kit with resistance bands enables you to perform various exercises targeting the core, back, upper body, lower body, and the entire body. By using this kit, you can improve your posture, tone muscles, enhance flexibility, balance, and joint mobility, while also relieving stress and tension. It simulates the functionality of various gym equipment and reformer Pilates machines within the comfort of your own home gym. The kit offers 3 ways to use it: as a resistance bar with bands, with the bands and a door anchor, or as a yoga stick. Whether you're seeking squat bands for butt and thighs, workout equipment for the back, calves, triceps, biceps, abs, or legs, Repston's full-body workout equipment provides all these features in a single versatile tool. The resistance bands with bar feature an advanced design with an adjustable buckle, allowing it to accommodate different heights. Simply adjust the strap to fit your height, and you can also adjust the foot loops for a comfortable training session. Securing a commendable 3rd position on our list of highly rated items, Better Sense has proven its worth. This home workout equipment for women is composed of a high-quality steel Pilates bar wrapped in thick frosted foam, accompanied by 6 extremely durable resistance workout bands for women, 20, 30, 40 pounds, allowing for easy customization of exercise intensity from beginner to advanced levels. The kit includes a 3-section removable portable Pilates stick made of solid, durable steel pipe that can quickly assemble into a 32-inch or 46.5 long Pilates exercise stick. This versatile equipment can be used for home workouts, at the office, in the gym, or while traveling. Equipped with strong straps, the home workout equipment allows for quick and easy length adjustment, catering to most individuals. For those under 5 feet 5 inches, the bar can be twisted to increase resistance. Non-slip foot and hand loops are included, enabling effective lower body exercises such as squats, leg lifts, and stretches. Designed as an all-in-one exercise equipment, this Pilates bar kit targets various muscle groups including the core, back, legs, hips, glutes, shoulders, and arms. The detachable and portable nature of the Pilates bar home workout equipment makes it convenient for on-the-go use, and an included carry bag adds to its portability. Taking an impressive second position on our esteemed top list, Malou has proven their excellence with their exceptional Pilates bar kit. This kit includes 2 sets of elastic resistance bands with anti-slip foot straps, weighing 20 pounds and 30 pounds respectively. The simple carabiner connection allows for easy replacement of the resistance bands, and even stacking bands for more diverse fitness exercises. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the replaceable resistance bands enable you to choose the intensity that aligns with your personal goals. The toning bar kit consists of 3 high-quality steel pipes, wrapped with 5 mm thick soft foam for enhanced comfort during your workout. The lightweight Pilates stick bar provides a firm grip and can be conveniently broken down, making it portable for use anywhere. An organizer bag is included for easy storage of the exercise kit, ensuring you're prepared for quick workouts on the go. The exercise stick, made of 3 steel pipes and covered with soft foam, offers a firm grip and is detachable and lightweight, making it an ideal portable workout kit for both women and men. This versatile Pilates bar is perfect for yoga, Pilates, resistance band exercises, fitness, and other training programs. It can replace a variety of workout equipment, allowing you to perform a wide range of training exercises. Pilates exercises not only improve body shape but also have a positive impact on neck and spinal cord correction. Detailed instructions, including workout guides, are provided to help you understand the key movements of the Pilates bar before you start your exercise routine. Claiming the top position on our list, Viajero has earned their spot with their highly ranked product, the Viajero Pilates Reformer. This reformer is superbly designed with 2 natural resistance bands, offering a versatile, full-body workout suitable for all fitness levels. It serves as a powerful, durable, portable, and multifunctional home gym equipment. The Viajero Pilates Reformer features 3-section removable 15-inch bars made of solid iron pipe, ensuring firmness and durability. By simply twisting the threaded ends together, they quickly assemble into a 46.4-inch long bar, allowing for easy storage and portability. The comfortable EVA foam cover provides a non-slip and anti-sweat grip for added convenience during workouts. With 2 latex resistance bands that can stretch up to 6 times their length without breaking, simply roll the tubes around the bar to achieve the desired amount of tension for a variety of exercises, providing a comprehensive, all-over body strength workout. The Viajero Pilates stick serves as an all-in-one gym equipment, enabling body shaping, muscle building, weight loss, and a complete CrossFit workout. It effectively tones the arms, chest, abs, glutes, legs, and butt, simulating various gym equipment such as squats, bench press, curls, and rowing, providing a complete workout solution in one compact tool. Your opinion matters to us. Please share your thoughts on the Pilates bar kit that caught your attention in the comments section below. We greatly value your feedback as it helps us improve our content. Thank you for actively participating and sharing your insights.